Hey guys, welcome to another vlog from DC Traveler. We are in Gopalpur right now and we are going to Berhampur, which is a major city in south of Odisha. There are two major cities in Odisha. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Where are you going?
To our home.
From the beach?
Yeah.
Okay. So there are two major cities in Odisha. One is the capital of Odisha, which is Bhubaneswar, and the other one is Berhampur, where we are going now. Now, if you have seen the earlier vlogs from this series, Odisha series, you must have seen some glimpses of Berhampur, but today we will see Berhampur in all its glory. Right now the time is close to 1:30, so we have a lot of time before it gets dark. On the agenda today is lots of food. We are going to have lots of Odisha special food in Berhampur, and we'll look at the market and see what all crazy stuff we can do. So join me. Doing some photography. This is their living room. The lunch. So I was just telling this man now what a good view of lighthouse. Okay, so now we are at the end of Gopalpur Market Street. There's a circle and we should be getting a bus from there. But I am thinking of making this more interesting than it would be by going by bus. We might hitchhike. Let's try to find a ride. By now, I think I'm an expert hitchhiker now, so I don't have any doubt in my mind that we will successfully get the ride. Not auto rickshaw. Okay, this guy stopped. भैया आप कहाँ तक जा रहे हो?
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
मेरे को बहरामपुर जाना है.
बहरामपुर कहाँ?
बस बहरामपुर तक छोड़ दो, फिर मैं देख लूँगा. कोई ऐसा जगह डिसाइड नहीं किया.
क्या है?
ये कैमरा है.
क्यों?
YouTube पे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. आप YouTube देखते हो?
हाँ ठीक है, देखता हूँ.
हाँ, तो आपको मैं अपना कार्ड दूंगा, आप देखना. आपका नाम क्या है?
मधु.
मधु. ओके. और आप बहरामपुर ही जा रहे हो? We got the ride till Berhampur in this DALA. Thank you very much. आपको मैं कार्ड देता हूँ अपना. ये रख लो, ठीक है? So I was just telling this man that I could go by bus also, but this is interesting because we get to talk to people.
अरे आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं बैंगलोर से हूँ. आप कितने साल से चलाते हो ये?
ये मेरा 15 साल हो गया भैया.
15 साल से चलाते हो. और आप गोपालपुर में रहते हो?
नहीं.
Thank you very much. Guys, not only did he drop us to Berhampur, he also subscribed to the channel. Now such experiences you don't get when you have to pay for them. We made a mistake of trying to buy the experience of going along with the fishermen, and that didn't work out well for us, did it? Now if you want to know what I'm referring to here, check out that video in the link above and you will see. Now let's go hunting for the food. Let's start a food tour with the pani-puri of Berhampur. एक प्लेट पानी पूरी दे दो भैया. कितने का है एक प्लेट? 10 रुपये का है. कितना आता है पानी पूरी? 10 का 6 पीस आता है. ओके, दे दो. So this is the pani-puri of Berhampur, 10 rupees, 6 pieces, which is cheaper than Mumbai and Bangalore. सस्ता है पानी पूरी यहाँ पे. In Bangalore, minimum is 20 rupees for the same 6 pieces, and some places 25 rupees. Let's see how the taste is now. The best pani-puri, by the way, I've had so far was in Mumbai. Now this pani-puri is also called golgappa or puchka in different places of India. इधर पे क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Gupchup. Okay, so I just learned a new name for pani-puri, which is gupchup. तो यहाँ पे सब जगह गुपचुप ही बोलते, पानीपुरी नहीं कहते, लेकिन समझ में आता है पानीपुरी बोलेंगे। थोड़ा आराम से बनाओ। So these are the ingredients they are putting. This is mashed potato, some beans, and this is very spicy water that they put. So pani puri. So this thing is called puri, which is this round thing, and pani means water. That's why it's called pani puri in most of the places. So pani puri is the common name, but many places have the local names for this dish. Here it is gupchup. नहीं वो एक्स्ट्रा वाला मत बनाओ, और बहुत कुछ खाने का है। So guys, normally anywhere in India when you have pani puri, over and above this pani puri, they will give 1 or 2 complimentary puris without the pani. They would put some stuffing on top of that. They would put some सेव डालते हो, क्या डालते हो? Some सेव. I'll show you what सेव is in the picture. So those are complimentary, which I'm not taking because we have to eat a lot today. English समझते हो? Now, this water is also very delicious to drink, but because we want to have so much more, we will not fill our stomach with this water. So I will put it here. Otherwise, we drink this water. हेलो, आपको खाना है? दे दो, बना दो पानी पूरी।
आज नुआ फेस्टिवल है ना हमारा।
आज फेस्टिवल है?
हाँ, इसलिए नहीं।
तो ये तो वेज है ना?
वेज है, लेकिन बाहर का खाना नहीं खाना है आज।
बाहर का नहीं खाना है। आपका नाम क्या है?
सुमन।
सुमन, ठीक है फिर। सुमन दर्शन है मेरा नाम। Now let's go to some other place. Let's ask him only. अच्छा, यहाँ पे और बहरमपुर का कुछ स्पेशलिटी खाना होगा तो कहाँ जाना चाहिए?
बिग बाजार।
बिग बाजार?
हाँ।
बिग बाजार के पास? कुछ नाम है जगह? कुछ नाम है जगह का?
नहीं, बहुत
सारा है होटल्स। ओके।
होटल नहीं है, पापड़ अचार फेमस है और साड़ी भी है।
अच्छा, मतलब स्टॉल्स है?
हाँ,
ठीक है। ऐसे
नहीं, वो दुकान है,
दुकान टाइप है। ओके, चलो ठीक है, बढ़िया है। चलो देन, बाय बाय। नाउ Karthik has sent me the location of another place where we can have, what can we have there? Paneer roll. Now paneer roll, the name is very generic, but paneer roll here in Berhampur is unlike any other paneer roll that you might think of. So we are going to go to that place, which shows 8 minutes on Google Maps. So we'll walk to that place and have some Berhampur special paneer roll. I'll try to find some lassi as well, because I still remember that lassi, of course. If you've not seen that vlog, it will be somewhere in this playlist. Odisha special, Berhampur special lassi. We'll have that as well. Today we will have as much as we can. Berhampur is just like any other bustling city of India. You hear a lot of honking, a lot of colorful shops. Look at that. A lot of people, a lot of vehicles, rickshaws, And this is a human powered rickshaw. We might experience that as well today. After walking for 15 minutes and digesting that pani-puri, we are ready to roll with some more Berhampur food. We've arrived at our destination here, the second one. Samal Tiffin Center yahi hai? Chalo. This place is called Samal Tiffin Center. ये कौन सा जगह है? बरहमपुर तो ठीक है, लेकिन क्या है मार्केट? गिरी मार्केट. Okay, this is अन्नपूर्णा मार्केट. ओके, सो दिस इज अन्नपूर्णा मार्केट एंड समाल टिफिन सेंटर. तो यहाँ पे बहरमपुर का स्पेशलिटी क्या है खाने के लिए? अरे क्यों शर्मा रहे हो, बात करो. पनीर रोल है क्या? पनीर रोल नहीं है अभी. तो और क्या अच्छा है बताओ. नहीं, जो बहरमपुर का स्पेशलिटी हो. लस्सी वगैरह है? लस्सी वगैरह है? क्या बात है भैया, आप ही बता दो. यहाँ पे बहरमपुर का स्पेशलिटी क्या है खाने के लिए? वो तो शर्मा रहा है. हाँ, अरे भैया खाने आया हूँ, जवाब तो दो. हिंदी समझते हो नहीं? इनसे आप बेच रहे हो, वो बेच रहे हैं. मैं कस्टमर ही हूँ, खाने के लिए आया हूँ मैं. ठीक है ठीक है, रहने दो, चलो फिर. ओके. Anyways, it doesn't look like these people are very interested in getting business. So we will move on and find another interesting place. I'm sure there will be many who will be a bit more enthusiastic about feeding the hungry traveler. So let's keep looking. Look at this alley. So many cables. It looks like one of the streets I saw in a vlog about Kathmandu in Nepal. I've not been there, but I can just remember that looking at these cables. Still looking for our next place while going through these very interesting streets of Berhampur. Look at that. We will keep looking until we find something interesting. I'm also considering eating some street food because it'll be better from lighting perspective as well. If I sit inside, the lighting will not be as good. I just saw a very interesting looking joint. Doesn't look like it's a Berhampur special food, but the kitchen is very interesting. So we will have whatever they're selling. भैया क्या बेच रहे हो? ये क्या है? रोल है, ठीक है. और अंदर क्या डालते हो, चिकन या पनीर? चिकन, ठीक है, एक चिकन रोल बना दो. Good, we will have a chicken roll here. Chicken pakodi. That's our chicken roll. How's the taste? Good. It's like a chicken roll. I won't say it is much different from the other chicken rolls that I've had in other places, but yeah, it's not bad. for 35 rupees. Yeah, one thing that is different is the cost. This chicken roll in Mumbai you would not get for 35 rupees. Chicken roll with the quantity of chicken that this one has, I believe would be about 50 or more. So that is different. I've seen that food in Odisha is really cheap. You saw the pani-puri, which is called gupchup here, if I remember correctly now. It's just 10 rupees. In Bangalore, Mumbai, minimum 20. So food is definitely cheaper here. Now, there's nothing special about this chicken roll, so I'm not going to spend much time on this. I will just finish this and we will move on to something else. Now it is time for another lassi at the Jagannath Lassi bar, where we came yesterday as well. But for those who have not seen that vlog, here it is again. एक लस्सी दे दो भैया, Berhampur special lassi. So I've made a lassi vlog here from my last visit to Berhampur when we came here for some shopping. But today, after doing that crazy rickshaw drive, I'm thirsty. So we will have this lassi again, which is Rabri lassi of Berhampur, with some coconut, grated coconut on top of it, and some cashew nut. Wow. So I call it Rabri lassi because, as I said in that lassi vlog, but I'll say again, lassi in Berhampur is redefined. Wait, I just spat on my lens. Lassi in Berhampur is redefined. Lassi in other places of India means curd mixed with some water, and then they mix it properly. It becomes a thick liquid. They add some sugar, and that is lassi. But in Berhampur, they have that, and they mix rabri in it. Rabri is a milk derivative, which is made by boiling the milk to the point that it's very thick. So they have lassi, which is normal lassi in other places of India. They mix rabri in it. They put some grated coconut, cashew nut, as you can see, cashew nut. They might add some other flavoring, but basically the base ingredients of lassi are different here from the other parts of India, as far as I know. But this is Berhampur lassi, and I have to shout because it's noisy around. And you know, DC Traveler is shameless now, so I don't mind shouting if it requires me to shout. For you guys to get better audio. This is great. और क्या क्या मिलता है लस्सी के अलावा? कौन सा जूस है?
ऑरेंज का है, एप्पल का है, जूस है।
और चॉकलेट शेक क्या है? एक बना दो वो।
चॉकलेट शेक। चॉकलेट शेक बनेगा।
So we're going to have a chocolate shake as well in Berhampur. Let's see how that is. Now this is chocolate shake. Oh. Let's be completely shameless. Wow. So this is normal chocolate shake you will find anywhere else, but this lassi, if you want to have this lassi, you come to this place. If you are in Berhampur, come to Hanuman Bazaar and look at the name of this place. वहाँ पे जरा लेके जाके नाम ऐसे दिखा दो. लेके जाओ आगे. जगन्नाथ लस्सी बार. थोड़ा पीछे लो. हाँ बस. Thank you guys for that lassi. What was it? Chocolate shake and this bottle of water cost me 80 rupees, which is little over $1. Lassi for 30, chocolate shake is 40 as you can see there, and this is 10 rupee water bottle. Even the bottle of water is cheaper here. In Mumbai, Bangalore, everywhere 1 liter of the water would cost you 20 rupees. Here it is 10 rupees. And okay, so it says MRP is 20 here, but they are charging 10 rupees for this water. So food here is cheap, undoubtedly. Guys, I've decided that the pani-puri, the chicken roll, the lassi and the chocolate shake and half a liter of water is about all I can have today on this food tour. And because we have tomorrow as well to cover more food in Berhampur, tomorrow is my last day in Berhampur. I'm going to come back here again with Karthik and we're going to go to the famous Girija restaurant and check out some other food as well, probably. So because we have tomorrow as well, and right now I'm too full and we don't want to go back with an upset stomach and then not be able to get out tomorrow from the hotel. So we would rather end the vlog here. So this is the end of the food tour in Berhampur. I will sign off from this market street in Hanuman Bazaar, Berhampur. See you tomorrow, your next week. Bye bye.